When choosing a dash cam, the options can be overwhelming, like seriously overwhelming. Here at BlackboxMyCar, we want to share our knowledge of dash cams to help buyers make an informed decision and find the right product for their needs. After testing dozens of dash cams last year, we wanted to tell you which ones we like the best, whether or not we actually sell them. We know everyone has a different need for dash cams, whether it's for their daily commute or leaving their vehicle parked in an unfamiliar area, so our list of best dash cams of 2022 should cover everyone's needs. Let's get into it. Best recording quality. Our top choice for the best recording quality is the BlackVUE DR900X Plus. It has true 4K and excellent license plate readability. The DR900X Plus is an upgrade on the older DR900X. It improves how the camera captures bright and dark situations, which makes it far easier to see details in all lighting conditions. Videos from this camera are sharper and better exposed with less motion blur at night. BlackVUE also offers one of the best cloud services for dash cams, and BlackVUE exclusive features include seamless pairing and two-way voice communication. Best parking mode. Modern dash cams can record even when the vehicle is stopped. For the best parking mode, our choice is the THINKWARE U1000. THINKWARE recently introduced Energy Saving Parking Mode 2.0, which increases energy efficiency and allows nearly 3 times the parking duration versus older solutions. THINKWARE also offers Radar, an optional radar motion detection module designed to enhance their camera's parking mode with ultra-high frequency radar-based motion detection and pre-buffered recording. Some of our THINKWARE camera's parking modes were extended from 20 hours of recording to 4 days of recording when using one of our PowerCell 8 dashcam battery packs. If the THINKWARE is a bit out of your price range and you still want great video quality and parking mode options, but don't need the cloud features, the VIOFO A129 Pro Duo is our runner-up. The VIOFO A129 Pro is a 4K dashcam that also features buffered parking mode, so you don't have to compromise on video quality just because you opted for a budget-friendly alternative. The budget category is one of the most competitive, and among thousands of options, we only test reputable brands who have a track record for reliability. Our top choice for the best budget camera is the VIOFO A119 V3. This camera is about as basic as they come, without any Wi-Fi or app features. But what it lacks in modern niceties, it makes up for with simplicity, super video quality, and a low price. Equipped with the Sony Starvis image sensor, the A119 V3 delivers fantastic 2K QHD Plus video, which means sharper and higher quality with excellent detail in all lighting situations. This camera has been on the market seemingly forever and keeps topping lists as a great budget camera to buy. The downside is that the A119 V3 is a front-only dashcam, so you won't be getting footage of the traffic behind. We have 2 runner-ups in our budget category, the THINKWARE F200 Pro and the 70mm A800S. The THINKWARE F200 Pro is a great alternative to the VIOFO, as long as you don't mind using a mobile app instead of the built-in screen. It also does not sacrifice reliability for low price. However, its video quality is not quite up to par with the A119 V3. After all, the F200 Pro is only a full HD camera, whereas the A119 is a 2K camera. The F200 Pro is still a great cam that won't let you down. However, if resolution and video quality at an ultra budget price is your biggest concern, our second runner-up, the 70mm A800S, is a great contender. It offers some of the best video quality for the price, with true 4K that punches far above its class. However, it is built with an internal lithium-ion battery, which are not always reliable long-term in hot and cold environments. Best 2-channel. If you want to add a rear camera to your car as well, the aforementioned THINKWARE F200 Pro has an option for a secondary camera. THINKWARE also has several other high-resolution choices, including the Q800 Pro and the U1000. These are both industry-leading cameras with decent video quality and tons of features. VIOFO also has their A129 series, which has a camera for every resolution and price point and are considered a great value. Among all those competitors, our dual-channel winner is the BlackVUE DR750X 2CH+. This camera takes the cake as our overall winner thanks to its cloud features, enhanced night vision, user-friendly app, and ease of installation. The DR750X Plus is available in single, dual, and triple channel setups depending on your individual needs. One great thing about the DR750X series is that the secondary camera is available separately, so it's possible to start out with a single channel now and add that second camera later. Whether installing this camera as a basic power on, power off dash cam or doing a more advanced hardwire for parking mode, this camera does not disappoint. Best 3-channel and ride-sharing camera. As many brands rush to be the leader of 3-channel dash cams, nothing has stood up to our top choice, the VIOFO A139. This camera balances price, performance, and reliability in a well-built package. With 2K forward-facing video and 1080p secondary cameras, the A139 has enough resolution to capture license plates while operating at a reasonable temperature on warm summer days. One of the best features is for car vloggers. An external mic can be plugged in to improve audio quality in a loud vehicle.
So here we are on the road to UBC. UBC is the University of British Columbia, which was established in 1908. It's also one of the oldest and top universities in Canada.
The rear and interior cameras use super thin cables which are easier to hide than the standard thick USB cables of other cameras. The downside to the A139 is that it doesn't have a screen. This means an app is required to navigate through the camera and change settings. The VIOFO app has significantly improved in the last year, and it's now quite stable, at least on the iPhone we test with. An honorable mention for 3-channel options goes to the Vantrue N4, which was the first 3-channel camera on the market. This camera has been around for a while and is considered highly reliable. New drivers. Being a new driver can be scary, but it's also an act of freedom. As a new driver, the reality is if something were to happen on the road, you'll need to prove yourself. So our top choice for a new driver is the NEXAR Beam. The NEXAR Beam is a straightforward 1080p Full HD dashcam that can be installed in just about any car in less than 10 minutes. Like many other cameras mentioned on this list, the NEXAR Beam does not have a built-in screen. Instead, it uses Wi-Fi to connect directly to a smartphone and an app to change camera settings. The Beam also has Siri integration. Once enabled, simply say, "Hey Siri, capture this moment," and she'll lock the footage. Siri can also manually stop recording, or even help find where you parked your car. If there is a collision, the NEXAR one-click report feature provides a report with 4 crucial pieces of information: speed at the time of collision, force of impact, location, and a video clip of the incident. This can be used to make the insurance claim process easy and immediate. For those who prefer 2 wheels over 4, their daily commute looks a little bit different. The THINKWARE M1 is our top choice for motorcycle riders. Equipped with super night vision and a Sony sensor, the THINKWARE M1 records in 1080p Full HD with both front and rear view. Even when the ride gets bumpy, the M1 has an advanced image stabilization system to minimize shakiness, kinda like a GoPro. It reduces motion blur and ensures a smooth and steady recording no matter what terrain. Before we get into our best of the best for 2022, we have a couple honorable mentions. First off is the Garmin Mini 2. When it comes to tiny, low-profile cameras, this camera stands out above all others. Well, actually, it doesn't really stand out at all because it's so small. Other dash cams can't match this tiny camera's footprint, making it a unique offering where the smallest size is the most important feature. Our second honorable mention is the NextBase 622GW. This is an easy-to-use 4K camera with a giant touchscreen and excellent video quality. However, it did not make our top 3 camera list because of its built-in battery, which could have long-term reliability issues. Our top premium cameras. Finally, when it comes to the best of the best, there are 3 cameras that stand out. The THINKWARE U1000 for its reliability, the BlackVUE DR900X 2CH+ for its connected cloud features, and the THINKWARE X1000 2CH for its video quality. All 3 of these cameras have excellent video quality, a wealth of features, and class-leading reliability. They're great during the day and night, and while the car is parked. If you want the best dashcam out there and money is no object, then these are the cameras to get. Hopefully this list helps you find the right camera for your needs. All of the cameras we sell at BlackboxMyCar are from reputable brands with a great track record of reliability. If you're looking for a specific recommendation based on your individual needs, reach out to us and we'll be glad to help. Drive safe.